Hello everyone, welcome to another DIY Monday. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creations Designs. Okay y'all, I'm going to get right into this video. This is going to be something really quick. As a matter of fact, wait a minute y'all. Here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY. This is going to be something fast and simple, okay? First of all, y'all, I want you to know that these shells, look at these shells. These are beautiful shells. I got these from Michael's. I think, I'm sure I know I got them when they were on sale. But anyway, you get a lot of these little shells and you can do a lot of cute little things with them. So you're going to need 6 of these shells. You're going to need a jump ring, a coral shell, a dime, a fish hook, and a piece of 8 inches of 20 gauge wire, okay? You're going to need your round nose pliers and your wire cutters. So the first thing that we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is we are going to, we're going to start assembling our wire. So the first thing we're going to do is, I didn't feel like dealing with a manual. I hope I'm saying it right. So I'm going to use a dime, okay? And the dime is going to give me the size that I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dime, place it down, and I'm just going to take my wire. And you can go anywhere that you want on the wire. It doesn't have to be in the middle or anything because we want this to be long. So I'm going to take and put my finger right here and just pinch the wire up. This is going to give me my shape that I want. Okay? Just like this. And we're going to bring it all the way across from one side, wait a minute, to the other side. Okay? Pull it down as tight as you can get it. So it's going to give you a circle. That's what you're going to have, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our finger, hold it in the center, and take these 2 pieces and we're going to twist it. You want to hold it as tight as you can get it and twist it. Okay, now once you twist it, you want to pinch it down, and this is what you're going to have. Okay, that's your circle. That is perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pinch this long piece up. We're going to take this piece right here and we're going to wrap it around, and we're going to wrap it around twice or as many times as you see fit. So that's 1, and go around again, and that's 2. Okay, so this is pretty much what we are going to have. This is what it's going to look like. Now, it might be a little lopsided, so we're going to take our round nose pliers and just come up to the top and straighten it up and put it back in the middle. Okay, so this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cut off this excess right here, which is sticking out. So we're going to cut that off. Okay. And we're just going to go in and make sure we don't have anything sticking. And then we're going to start assembling our seashells onto our earring. So they don't have to be in any order. You start just sliding them down because they have holes on them. Holes on them. They have holes in them on the side, kind of like on the side. And we just put them on and bring them down. Now it's a tricky part to this. Once you, let me turn it this way. And I'm putting them on, still putting them on. And I got one more here. Okay, now we got all 6 of these on. Now, pretty much what you want to do is, when you put them on, you want to kind of like let them go the opposite way of each other. So you want to have one going this way and then one going this way, one going this way, one going that way. This is pretty much what you want right here. Let me show you. You want it to look like this. One going this way, one this way, that way, this way, that way. That's kind of like a zigzag, but not really a zigzag. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. And I'm sorry, y'all, if it's a little dark. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we want to try to hold that as tight as we can. So we're going to make a loop. Just like that. Bring this around. And then we're going to come up and give it a little indentation. But we have to be very careful because we don't want to crack our shells. Okay. And then we're just going to start wrapping it. Okay. Wrapping it around. And you can do it once or twice. And then we're going to go ahead and just snip this off. So let me just straighten this up. We're going to snip that part off right there. Okay, got it as close as I could get it. And this is pretty much how your earring is going to look. Just like this. And then this is the real easy, simple part. We're going to take our jump ring, which I already have open, our coral shell, and we're just going to put our jump ring on our coral shell, just like that. And we're going to add that to the end where I got that little hole right there, and we're going to close it. Just like that. So this is our earring. And last but not least, we're going to add our fish hook on. And we're going to turn our fish hook this way, okay? Because we want our coral shell to be facing this way if possible. And then we're gonna put this on and close it up. And here we have ourselves a really cute pair of earrings. Now, I made these because I know a lot of times when I make jewelry, sometimes the stuff I make, everybody doesn't like. But I thought that these were really, really cute, really different. And of course, y'all know that when you make your stuff yourself, you won't see anybody else with them. So I want to thank you all for joining me for today's DIY, Monday's DIY. And y'all have a wonderful and awesome day and have a awesome week. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.